Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Tonight we are on the Grand Wagoneer project. This is actually Grand Wagoneer 2.0. Tonight I'm going to remove all of this vacuum operated crap and replace those with these studs here to fill the gaps.
The ladies all wear sunglasses, and it's never stopped anyone to see their eyes. Inside the grey with his red painted fingernail hands smoothly shifted gears from first to second, and from second to first, and from first to second, and back to first.
All right, this one also has a vacuum pump on it, so we're going to take it off. Here's some stupid shit for you. Why put this bolt right here? Like you're literally designing the whole thing. Just move this bolt over just a little bit, you know? Oh. All right, for some reason, these are all 10 mil on this vacuum pump. But everything else on this engine is metric, so. Alrighty, take this thing off of here. Bring this engine up a little bit. Whew. Still can't figure out why you need all that, because this line here ran all the way back to just behind the catalytic converter. I mean, to pull extra vacuum, I guess. I really don't know. But we didn't do too bad. Only broke 3 of these. And of course, they're on each side. So I'm gonna take and weld a nut to these and see if we can get them out that way. Steven came over and said, man, why don't you just try and remove the bolts from here, the header bolts from this one. So I think that's what we're gonna do. This is our spare engine, or the bad one. So we're gonna see if these bolts come out without breaking. We're gonna attempt to take the bolts out of that one and hopefully they won't break. All right, guys, let's try these here. Oh, hell, these aren't even tight. What the hell? I was all scared.
Which one is that?
The good motor.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, dude, not even tight at all.
Nice.
So I thought I was doing myself a favor there. Well, if you look right here, see that hole there? That's got to be plugged. Same with this one here. I thought these were plugs for those holes. Like maybe you could have bought them or something like that from Mopar, but no. So. All right guys, so I've got to get these out because the driver's side that we pulled from, driver's side? Yeah, passenger side, sorry, did not have these in it. So I'm going to carefully squirt stuff down in there, let that sit for a couple days until I can get back out here, because I need these at this length so I can put these back on. And it goes this way. I don't know what this thing does, but the exhaust would not bolt up without it. So anyways, there we go. All right guys, that's it for this one. Pulled the manifolds off of this motor, put them over here. On the next video, we'll pull out the studs here and throw the motor in, but that'll be sometime this weekend. So you'll probably see this video a week after this. And Steve and I gotta go to Walmart, pick up some shit. So thanks. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. Find us on Instagram at Narcoleptic. Find us on TikTok at Narcoleptic Customs and on Facebook at Narcoleptic Customs. See ya.